Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. My name is Victor Quajer, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with a business building blocks episode 18 for 2023. Now, we have been exploring how to identify business opportunities from anywhere in the world. And today we are going to look at how to keep up with changes in the laws of the land to help you to identify opportunities. Now, another great way to spot or discover business opportunities is by keeping up with the laws of the land and policies of national and local governments, wherever you are. New policies and legislation are often a rich source of new business ideas. They always generate opportunities in terms of administration and implementation. New safety or health regulation requirements may prompt the supply of parts to adapt to existing machinery, facility, or process to meet the standards or demand for people to provide a newly introduced service. And for example, the introduction of new insulation systems, heating systems, changes, green energy, and environmentally friendly practices and buildings offers a huge opportunity for entrepreneurs and business owners to source or manufacture and supply new products or materials to help meet the acceptable policy standards. So keep track of legislation from parliaments, assembly bodies, legislative bodies locally, nationally, and around the world for information on new legislation. There are all sorts of great business ideas and opportunities to explore to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey. And I hope this sets you thinking and it helps you. Thank you once again. But before you go, if you need help to start or grow your existing business, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'll be more than glad to help you with anything from identifying opportunities, creating a structure, and putting a system in place, writing a business plan, sourcing funding, and everything in between. All right. And also, please get ready for the Business Building Block podcast. It's going to be very educative, very informative, and is going to really equip you in your entrepreneurial journey as well as other areas of your life. And finally, if you ever thought or desire to become an author, a writer, and an author in 2023, take advantage of our book writing workshop coming up on 28th of January at 8 p.m. GMT. It's an online event, so you can sign up and join from anywhere in the world, and you will be able to enjoy all the tips I'm going to be sharing. I'm going to be sharing 10 steps, 10 easy steps to help you to write your book in 10 days. I'm an author. I've written 13 books, published 8 books to date, helped so many other authors write their book, and also ghostwritten a number of other books. So I am sharing something I've practically developed and used over the years, and I believe that it's going to help you. So get ready for it and sign up now. Just check the description section. There's a link there for you to sign up. And if you can sign up online, and because maybe you don't have access to be able to use a card on the system, just get in touch and we'll see how best we can help you to register. All right. Thank you once again, and God richly bless you. Have a great day.